How to share tasks on Google Calendar. Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can share tasks on Google Calendar. First, you need to type on search bar that Google Calendar. Also, you can find Google Calendar from here. Here the Google apps are available, and among this you will find the calendar. Now hit enter, and the first is Google Calendar. Click on it, and here you can see the Google Calendar is successfully opened up, and you can add the task here. Just click on the date and time, then click on this task here, task option, and you can add a title for this task and the description for this task you want, just like this. And you can just simply click on save to save this task on the date and time. After save a task, or if you have already saved task on date, then go to your this friend section and go to settings and sharing. Click on it to get a shareable link. Just click on it, and here you can find the name of the calendar, and scroll a little down. Then you can click on this get shareable links. Then you will find a link and click on this copy link button, and the link is now successfully copied on your clipboard. Then you can just paste it anywhere you want, and you can share it with your friends and other persons, just sending them the link. Then they can access the calendar and the task through the link. And sometimes it might need your permission. You will get an alert on your email. You can then grant a permission to this person to access your calendar. That's how you can share your task on Google Calendar. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Till then, goodbye.